Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to use a platform and AI tools to create your own token on the Solana network. Quickly, easily, and with no coding. I'll show you how to launch a working token in just a few minutes, one you can use in a community, for gamification, or even as part of a monetization strategy. Just follow the steps I'll walk you through. And if you find the video helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and hitting like. Before we start, this video is not a financial advice, so please do your own research first. All right, gather round. I'm about to walk you through how I somehow made 5,000 bucks in a single day by doing something so absurdly simple. It feels like a cosmic prank. No, this isn't one of those 10 times your income from home ads narrated by a dude who sounds like he's hiding from the IRS. There are no Lambos in this video. No influencers with names like CryptoPrint 69 whispering secrets in a smoky Discord server. This is just me, an average guy with questionable decision-making skills and an unhealthy relationship with meme culture. And here's the kicker. I didn't touch any of those over-engineered DeFi dashboards that look like the cockpit of a spaceship. No arbitrage bots, no alpha groups. So, how did I do it? I did it using something that's borderline ridiculous. So stupidly straightforward, so dumb in concept you'll hear and think there's no way this works. And then 5 minutes later, you'll be opening a new tab, squinting at the screen and whispering, "Wait, is this legal?" But hey, I'm not a coder, I'm not a dev, I'm just a regular dude with access to the internet, too much coffee, and an obsession with the dumbest corners of crypto. And somehow, through all the digital carnage, I stumbled upon something that actually worked. It all started with a question, a dumb one but a good one. Who keeps making these weird little tokens like, "And why the hell isn't it me?" I'd sit there doom scrolling watching tokens like Shrimp PEPE or Typo Coin 420 hit the chart. Every one of them seemed to come out of nowhere. Badly drawn logos, broken websites, zero utility, and yet they would moon fast. Meanwhile, I was just a spectator, the guy in the crowd pointing at the fireworks saying cool, instead of the guy lighting the fuse and running. So I started digging. I tried platforms that promised launch in one click, but every single one had hidden traps. Pumped out fun? Yeah, it's fun until it dumps. And you realize you've handed over your meme to a centralized machine that feels like it was coded by a bored DMV employee. The UI is friendly, but under the hood, it's a vending machine with a mind of its own. Fees stacked like Jenga blocks, token control in someone else's hands. And if your token actually gets popular, guess who cashes out first? Not you, buddy. Other launchpads weren't much better. Either they gatekeep everything behind tokenomics spreadsheets, or they wanted you to join a Telegram group that looked like it was run by NPCs. And the worst part? I can't code at all. I thought Solidity was a luxury shampoo brand, so I wasn't looking for features. I needed something that treated me like the meme-loving man-child I am. I needed simplicity, chaos, and speed. Enter Launch on Launch, the tool that feels like it was made by someone who got rugged one too many times and said, "Screw it, let's democratize the stupid." It's so simple it feels wrong. You open it, press a few buttons, and boom, you have a token, that's it. You could literally create a coin while half asleep with Cheetos on your keyboard. The first time I used it, I hadn't even brushed my teeth. I was still in my robe, I typed in a stupid name, picked an even stupider image, and clicked create. And the next thing I knew, I had a real token. It became a habit like morning yoga, but for degenerates. Wake up, stretch, launch a raccoon theme coin, pour coffee, make a duck theme meme. It was chaotic, hilarious, and weirdly effective. All right, let's create the next meme legend. Open Launch on Launch. You're greeted with an interface so minimalist, it feels like it's daring you to press something wrong. No fluff, just functionality. Connect Phantom, approve. Phantom will ask, "Are you sure?" Like it's your responsible friend who's seen your worst decisions. Just click, yes, we're beyond saving now the name. This is where the magic happens. Today's pick, Free Pump Fun. Why? Because it sounds unhinged. It has the word free, which Dejan brains love pump triggers excitement and fun. Well, that justifies the chaos. It's like naming your dog Laser Shark. It doesn't matter what it means. It matters how it feels. Ticker free, all caps, bold, powerful. Ironically, not free at all. Now for the image, you can just generate this with AI, but I did my own logo in Canva. It's perfect. The description, one-click AI poetry again. It spit out something about vibes pumps and solar-powered unicorns. Sure, why not? Before clicking create, we need to do the sacred ritual: revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, revoke metadata update. Basically, this tells the blockchain, hey, I'm not here to rug you, this is pure meme chaos, sealed and delivered. Click create token, Phantom cries again, ignore it, click confirm, boom! Welcome to the World Free Pump Fund, you beautiful useless legend. Before we go any further, here's something cool. Go to SolScan, paste your new token address, and voila. You'll see the token metadata, mint info, authority supply, the whole shebang. Feels official, feels like you've just written your name on the crypto bathroom wall. Now for the second half of our Frankenstein operation, giving this token life, go to Radium, add liquidity, paste in the token address, it shows up that weird coin face. Yep, it's real, set the total supply. I'm putting in 0.59. So why? Because it sounds suspiciously specific. Not a clean one, not a meme 0.69, just 0.59. Like I know something they don't now for the liquidity pairing. We're doing 900 million, not a round number, not a meme number, just confusing enough to make people say, huh, and check it twice. Set the feet here to 2%, the safe middle ground. You're not greedy, you're just efficient. Click initialize pool. Phantom pops up again like a nervous parent. Confirm, boom, free pump fund is officially on the market. All right, it's alive. Now what? You can check our baby on deck screen or just copy the link from Launch on Lunch and paste it in the token address. Wait a sec, and there you go. Huge chart is alive and already green as grass as I remember. You can already see the small buys coming in. These are just some little bots. We are waiting for the real players to show up as we are waiting. Let's understand that this is not a financial advice or anything. This is me showing you a little play that transform our reality from that moment. Now let's see how we are doing so far. Whoa! See that? We have some chunky buys coming here. What the? All right. I need to relax, I guess, because this is only the beginning of our adventure. 5 minutes later, and wow, people dropping $83 and $95 like it is nothing. I'm in shock. The hell, starting with only $172 in liquidity. We have jumped to a $700 area. This is so huge. Now the thing is, you can always repeat this process. That means you don't need to be greedy. Head over to Radium, click this little minus, and choose 100% exquisite. We can see that we made 2.43 salt in literal minutes. To be honest, even though it is not the first time doing it, I'm still feeling like it's some sort of black magic in process. And there you have it. We went from 0.59 sol to almost 2.5 sol. Was it hard? Nope. Did it involve high-level strategy? Also, no. Could you do this while eating cereal? Absolutely. Yes. Just don't get milk on your keyboard, it's bad for liquidity. This is the beauty of Launch on Launch. It strips away all the nonsense. No forms, no fees, disguises, network congestion surcharges, just pure uncut meme power in your hands. Let's go, fellow Degens. Your meme coin journey starts now.